Hi, my name's Steve Fisher. I'm in the sales program here at HGR Industrial Surplus. Been doing this for 23 years. I'd like to take one moment to talk to you about the Treat It Like It's Yours program that we have here at HGR. We started the program several years ago, and it's more about a way of thinking about when you as a forklift operator are loading or unloading equipment. We load or unload 34 million pounds of inventory every single year here at HGR. And it's always imperative that you take your time and you do the small things that make it go as smoothly as possible. So I always like to think of this as in a used car analogy. Say you are going in to buy a used car. Look at it, everything looks great, you buy it, and I say, you know what, sit down and have a cup of coffee, we'll take it around back, clean it up for you, and bring it back up. And when they bring it back up, it's a mess. So what we would like you to do, and the two main points of this, is number one, always take your time when you are loading or picking up a piece of equipment. Take your time to look around, make sure everything's good on it, make sure you know how to pick it up. And two, if you have any questions about the way to pick it up, please ask your supervisor or a fellow forklift operator.